Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Google the default search engine. First, open Google. Next, click on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on Settings. Look for Search Engine at the left-hand side of the screen and change it to Google. Then go to Default Browser and check if your default browser is now Chrome. And that's it! You have now successfully made Google your default search engine. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!